Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you all my top products of 2022 so far. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any future uploads. I am feeling a bit under the weather. I think you've heard that for the last couple of videos here, but this is like the only day I have to film and I am a little bit under the weather, and we are in the middle of a heat wave as well, so probably gonna look a little greasy, a little oily, a little sweaty, but hopefully it doesn't bother you so much. I feel like I have actually kept up with product releases this year, and I've picked up things that have caught my eye. I wanted to share a couple of favorites with you all since we are halfway through the year. I want to start with the Kosas Revealer Skin Improving Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 25 with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Since this arrived at my doorstep, I have not been able to put this down. This does retail for $42 and it is available at Sephora and kosas.com. This is a medium coverage foundation with a natural finish. I use this every day that I wear makeup or foundation, unless I very randomly reach for my Merit Beauty foundation stick. I love using this with my very old beauty blender, and I do pair this with the Revealer Concealer and the Kosas Setting Powder, which I think launched last year, and it has been a huge hit with me this year as well. I have not necessarily run into performance issues with this particular product until I did decide to pair the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth Serum with the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. That did not go so well. So I am not going to be trying that skincare combo with this foundation going forward, but that is perhaps the only time I have had actual issues with this product. I do make sure to wear SPF underneath this, since although this contains an SPF, I don't think it's enough for me to feel safe or protected. I don't personally apply my foundation, or I haven't been applying my foundation with a brush, so I stick with the beauty blender, and it just gives me a very natural kind of finish. This is the foundation I have on the skin today. Next up, this is not going to be a surprise to any of you if you have been watching my channel. I have hinted at this previously here on my channel, but this is quite possibly my very favorite product of 2022. This is the Farmacy 10% Niacinamide Night Mask. This is supposed to smooth and refine pores. This retails for $42 and it is available at Sephora and PharmacyBeauty.com. You can save 20% off your entire purchase at PharmacyBeauty.com if you use my code Nadia20. It will save you 20% off anything. Absolutely anything on the Farmacy Beauty website. I don't know who uses it and I don't know what you purchase, but I would love to thank everyone who has used my code. Means the world to me. I just do appreciate it. It really does help to keep this very small channel going. I definitely love the versatility of this product. I can use it alone under different serums and treatments, and I always wake up with hydrated, plumper skin, more luminous skin, and smaller looking pores. I also love how this performs under oils. I feel like this is perfect for all skin types who are dealing with enlarged pores, dull skin, and uneven texture. I am obsessed with this product, and I will also link my review up above in case you would like to find out a little bit more about it and why I love it so much. Next up, I have the Youth to the People Retinol Niacinamide Youth Serum. This is the first Youth to the People product that I have purchased and reviewed here on my channel. I hauled this during the Sephora Spring Savings event, and I feel like this product is a bit pricey, but I think in my eyes it is worth it. It is the closest thing to tretinoin that you can get over the counter. This did not irritate my skin, but it did kind of slightly make it feel dry when I initially introduced it to my skin. But after my skin became conditioned, I think all was good. This did help to keep breakouts at bay. It helped improve texture and uneven tone. I would not recommend this to first-time retinol users unless you want to use this one time per week for a while until you can slowly condition your skin to every other night. I feel like if you have used multiple retinol products or retinol-based products with little to no results, I think you should add this to cart. But do remember to pay attention to your skin and implement hydrating routine in between uses of this particular product to help maintain moisture levels and also strengthen your barrier. I will link my review to this product up above in case you missed it. And next up, I have the Peter Thomas Roth Even Smoother Glycolic Retinol Resurfacing Peel Pads with 20% glycolic acid complex and 1.5 time-released micro encapsulated retinol. This is what she looks like here. This was definitely a pleasant surprise. I reviewed both the serum and the pads from the PR set, and I found the serum to be very gentle, better suited, I would say, for intermediate acid and retinol based users. The pads for me were definitely more results driven and perfect, I would say, for experienced glycolic and retinol blend users who are looking for clearer, brighter, smoother skin while also keeping breakouts at bay. These do retail for $52. You do get 60 pads, whereas the serum alone retails for $65, and you do get a little bit less glycolic acid within that formula. I feel like this is an excellent purchase for advanced skincare users or more experienced skincare users who are looking to streamline or minimize the amount of skincare products in their vanity. I personally can only tolerate this at least once to twice per week, and I have personally not tried to increase use. I will definitely be reaching for these a lot more during the summertime, because during summer months I tend to lean more towards lazy night skincare routine. So I will definitely still be double cleansing, but then I'll be toning, applying one of these beautiful pads over the skin, moisturize, and call it a night. I would love to know if you have used these in the comments down below. Do be warned, this does contain alcohol and it is a drying alcohol, but I did not personally find this to irritate my skin. So I will also link my review to these pads up above in case you would like to learn a little bit more about them as well. Next up, I have the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA AHA Salicylic Serum for clarifying and retexturizing your beautiful skin. This is perfect for those who are just starting their skincare journey or for those who want to take a more gentle approach to skincare. I think we all have to remember that not everybody wants to use 20% glycolic acid on their skin on a nightly basis. For those of you who are very conservative in their approach to skincare, I have this for you. This is one of Glow Recipe's newest launch, and she retails for $40. I would say this is the second most affordable product within this list. I began testing this actually a few weeks ago, but after my barrier became impaired, and I enjoyed it so much and I still use this. I love how versatile the Glow recipe range is. And you can combine all of the serums depending on your skincare concerns or your goals. I love pairing this during the daytime with the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This one almost made the list, but this has been out for a while. And this is a new launch, so that's why this is in the mix today. Then during my nighttime routine, I love pairing this with this, but I love pairing this with practically everything, to be honest. And this combo here just gives me a clearer, brighter, more luminous skin. And I actually love how gentle this is and how it is just not drying even on my normal skin. Sometimes with salicylic acid based products, my skin can become a little bit dry, but I can actually get away with using this almost daily, either in my morning or my nighttime routine, without feeling dry or tight. Next up, I have the Bondi Sands Everyday Skincare Bondi Babe Purifying Clay Mask with blue spirulina extract. This is the most affordable product on my list today, and this retails for $18.99. You can find this at bondisands.com. I love how this decongests my skin without drying it. This claims to detoxify the skin for a clearer complexion. I actually definitely need to reach for this a lot more now that we are in like spring, summer. But I know that when I first received this in PR, I was reaching for this weekly. I was obsessed, but I haven't been reaching for it so much since. But I actually haven't been masking, so that could also be the problem. After removing this, my skin just feels smoother, redness is minimized, and my skin just looks so much more luminous. I love following this mask with their Bakuchiol serum for some more anti-aging kind of plumping effects to the skin. Last but certainly not least, I have the empty Ulla Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. I had a strange relationship with this product actually. I initially just loved using this on my neck, like a neck treatment, but after a while I found myself using this in my morning and my nighttime routine. This has a lovely kind of slip to it, so it allowed me to massage the product in an upward motion so as to defy gravity at least for a few seconds and just get me in a more kind of relaxed state. This does retail for $48. It is loaded with peptides, amino acids, and ceramides, and collagen, all of which help to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also strengthens your skin's barrier. And I love how this wore under makeup. It created a really nice base for makeup. This moisturizer does contain citral, limonene, and linalool, which can be sensitizing to some skin types. So I do strongly suggest that you perform a patch test before you take it home with you. I will link my review to the Ulla Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer up above in case you'd like to check out that review. So yeah, that is all I have. Let me know what your favorite products for 2022 have been so far. I would love to know. Put those in the comments down below. And all of the products I shared with you all today will be linked down below in the description box. That is all I have for you all today. I feel like the temperatures have definitely cooled now that I have filmed this third video today. I am not looking so bad, but I feel like I am sounding worse. So that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.